Ah, the great outdoors, the call of the wild, the allure of the unknown. Picture this, you're nestled in a cozy corner of a forest, the soft whisper of the wind in the trees, the crackle of a warm campfire, and a sky full of stars overhead. This is the perfect setting for a camping trip. But what about the food? Today we're exploring the tasty, nutritious, and easy-to-make meals that make camping an unforgettable experience. Imagine waking up to the chirping of birds and the smell of fresh pine. Breakfast is the first meal of the day, and it's crucial to start it right. How about a hearty oatmeal with a mix of your favorite dried fruits and nuts? All you need is boiling water, instant oats, and your choice of mix-ins. Nutritious, filling, and oh so delicious. Moving on to lunch. Have you ever tried making a foil pack? Picture this, fresh vegetables, lean protein, and a drizzle of your favorite sauce, all wrapped up in a foil packet and cooked over the open fire. The result? A mouth-watering meal that's as healthy as it is flavorful. As the sun sets and the fireflies start their dance, dinner under the stars is a magical affair. Grilled fish, anyone? With a side of roasted sweet potatoes and a colorful salad, you have a well-rounded meal that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. And who could forget about dessert? How about some banana boats? Simply slit a banana lengthwise, stuff it with dark chocolate and marshmallows, wrap it in foil, and cook it over the coals. It's a sweet treat that's sure to satisfy your cravings without straying too far from the healthy path. But camping food isn't just about the meals, it's also about the snacks that fuel your adventures. Trail mix, apple slices with almond butter, or homemade granola bars can keep your energy up while you hike, swim, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature. So, the next time you pack your bags and head out to answer the call of the wild, remember that eating healthy while camping isn't just possible, it's also deliciously satisfying. Try these recipes or come up with your own versions. After all, the beauty of camping is in its flexibility and the freedom it gives you to connect with nature and with yourself. That's the beauty of camping. It's more than just a trip, it's an experience, it's an adventure. And like any great adventure, it's not just about where you go, but also about what you bring with you. So pack your bags, grab your gear, and don't forget your appetite. The great outdoors are calling, and they're serving up a feast.